Greetings of the day. Today, this video I have made on circles, that is called Breath in Hindi, where the children of class 6 standard to up to class 8, they find it very difficult what to understand about the circle, as the shape itself is a circular. So dear students, certain things that you must have learned about the circumference, radius, diameter, and that will be the basic concept of this chapter. And with the experiment and with teaching aids, I will be trying to make you clear how we got the value 3.14 as the value of the pi, and which is nothing but the ratio between the circumference and the diameter. So for this, make it easier in your language and make it enjoyable, I have designed a small model, which children can play if they like to play, I'll show you, they can play on the board. And this is the circumference, and this circumference you can measure it with our measuring tape usually find at our home. It is exactly 100 meter. If you put it in this manner, if you put it outside, this is called the circumference. As you can know, it is called in Hindi is paridhi. So if I put it in this manner, starting from here to exactly in this way, it will be 100 meter. So now from this point to this point, if you will measure with the scale or with this tape, you will find that this is approximately 15.9, and that will be the radius, trijya, that is called in Hindi. And if we double this line, that will be the diameter. So dear students, don't confuse with this simple playing instrument. You will understand the circle in a better concept, that if we join from this to this, it will be the diameter, vyas it is called in Hindi, and from this point to this is called the radius, trijya, and the circumference, that is the boundary, that is the periphery, that is the perimeter of this circle, that is called paridhi. Now basically children find it difficult to understand that what is actually pi. Pi itself is a irrational number. There is a lot of discussion is going on, and we'll have a lot of information about pi in higher classes. But basically at your level, just remember that C divided by D. C is your circumference, that is paridhi, and diameter is the vyas. So if you divide here, as I have told you, this is 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter, that is the circumference. And from this point, as I have measured, it is coming to be 15.9, that is the radius. And if I double it, multiply with 2, then 15.9 into 2 will result into 31.8, which is the diameter. So if I will divide it, 100 divided by 31.8, the value of pi, we get it as 3.14. So now, dear students, this is all about the pi concept. But what about the work of this interesting device that I have designed? What is the work of this? Suppose it is asked that in one rotation, if you make it one revolution from here, that it will complete one circumference. So we can just play, suppose the starting point is here. So you can see that from here, if it is coming and will continue to move, and as it comes here, it will be 1 meter. So if I can measure the circumference, and children can play with this, making a toy of this, and if they will rotate it in the ground, you see, and they can find themselves as the number of revolution it will complete, that much the distance it will cover, because we know that the circumference is 1 meter, that is 100 centimeters, and as it proceed, go ahead, the number of revolution will be equal to the number, that means the distance covered will be equal to the circumference of the circle. For example, if a student wants to play from his school to his home, So this I have designed here. When it will touch this point, you see the light will on. So the children will know that it has completed one revolution. So you can see now this will go in this manner, and as it will come here, again it will completed one revolution. So from his home to his school, if he takes and goes one day, he can know what is the distance covered by him. And this is the simple experiment that will help him to know about the circle, about the number of rotation it will make, and the distance covered, and how the distance cover is correlated with the circumference. So परिधि के साथ कैसे दूरियां निकाला जा सकता है। अगर हम लोग सर्कल की परिधि जानते हैं, वृत्त की परिधि जानते हैं, परिधि निकालने का सिंपल सा तरीका है, जैसे कि हम लोग फॉर्मूला से आप लोग निकाल सकते हैं। दिस इज दैट इज यू नो दैट पाई इज सी बाई डी, सो सी इज इक्वल टू पाई डी, सो सी विल बी 2 पाई आर। सो जैसे कि हम लोग अगर त्रिज्या अगर हम लोगों को पता है, रेडियस पता है, और पाई एक कांस्टेंट वैल्यू है 3.14, तो हम लोग सरकमफरेंस निकाल सकते हैं। और जब सरकमफरेंस निकल गया तो जितने बार ये रिवॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट करेगा, जितने बार ये रिवॉल्यूट करेगा, उतना ही डिस्टेंस कवर्ड होगा। इससे आप स्पीड भी निकाल सकते हो, बिकॉज स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम। इससे हम लोग स्पीड भी ज्ञात कर सकते हैं। अगर जैसे कि हम लोगों ने अपना ये खेलना चालू किया, उस समय देख लें और समय के अनुसार आगे बढ़ते रहें और गिनते रहें जे हमारा कितना बार ये रिवॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट हो रहा है। इन दिस वे वी विल बी एबल टू कैलकुलेट आवर ओन स्पीड। So this was the simple instrument. Hope you like it, enjoy, and next time I will try to make more such models and help you to understand math with fun. Thank you.